Hello friend, this is Ayub, you're watching Ayub Tech channel, and today I'm come back again with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can use and how we can enable dark mode on YouTube. Actually dark mode is really useful feature. So if you use dark mode, so that time you can save your mobile battery charge, and also you can protect your eye brightness. So actually in this video I'm gonna show you the easiest process. So before starting this process I will ask you something. Please subscribe my channel and also give the like that video. So let's start. So first of all guys, you'll have to update your YouTube application. So for updating YouTube application, so first of all you need to open the Play Store. Then guys, then after opening the Play Store, then you can update your YouTube application. So right now I don't want to update the YouTube application because I have already updated the YouTube application. So that's why I don't want to update the YouTube application. So after updating the YouTube application, then just you have to open the YouTube application. Then guys, when you open the YouTube application, then you'll get this kind of interface. So in here you can see, guys, icon option, just click on it. So after clicking, then you will get this kind of interface. Right now in there you can see setting option, just click on it. So after clicking, then you will get this kind of interface, another interface, which is right now you can see. So just you have to click here, general option, just click on it. Then guys, after that, after clicking guys, you will get another interface, which is in my home screen, as you can see guys. So guys, in here you can see drag them option, just you have to enable it. So guys, right now you can see my YouTube home screen is white color. So if I enable dark mode, so that time I will get black color screen. So let me show you. So just enable it. So as you can see guys, now my YouTube home screen is black. So guys, that's all. So this is really easiest process guys. So if you get helpful this video, please subscribe and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of problem, then please let me. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.